Hello, my friends. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. Let's get into the news. Let's not let this take 40 minutes like yesterday. The marine industry overall today has been in a green day. Congratulations, Mastercraft, Brunswick, Malibu, Marine Max. Wow, all in the green. A very nice and green day. I like gains. Okay, let's get into the news. We left off yesterday at the propeller, the smart propeller. There we go. And this article here looks like it's been rewritten, and they're talking about more, not just the Scout, but if you guys want to know about the Scout, here, this is the Scout 305 LXF. It's really nice. I like the website. I like the layout. 30 feet, 9-10 beam. That's nice. Twins, typical, normal look. Here's something I'm really proud of them for. They were confident enough to put the price, the starting price. Not everybody does that. You guys should. But they're pretty confident to do that. So, there you go. Check it out. Oh, look at that. COVID-19. They're on it. Scoutboats.com. Go check them out. Next, the Sabre 58. Let's check out that. So look, Jupiter is an attractive upscale community in Florida Atlantic coast, home to a number of celebrities in the sports and entertainment fields. Sitting in its slip in front of Down East Yachting, the Jupiter-based dealer for Sabre yachts, the new Sabre 58 fits right in. Okay, let's look at that. Now this is their site, Sabre Yachts, since 1970. I was gonna make a joke. Never mind. I want to make a joke. Never mind. You'll never know. Okay. This is the Sabre 58. Design features large windows to flood the living area in natural light, and the main door that opens fully from port to starboard, comfortably merging exterior and interior spaces. I like when boats do that, and I think everybody does. Let's look at what we are talking about here. So that article, it looks like they're going to talk about this boat here, but we like to go to the source. So we're going to the source, which is sabreyachts.com, and they've got a video, they've got two videos, they've got a virtual tour, and they've got some good interior shots. Wow. And it looks like a sauna in there. If you like wood, that's nice. If you hear a dog in the background, I don't know where that's coming from. How embarrassing. That'd be funny if you guys can hear that dog. There's a dog like barking crazy. Okay, really pretty. Lots of wood, lots of wood. And you know what? They're like, it's this nice satin wood. It's not like a high gloss. You know, you don't need to go in there with your glasses. It's nice. If you want to know more about it, go check them out. This article is about the Pursuit S378 Sport. Engineers at Pursuit know a few things about boat design for many purposes. This builder was one of the first to put cruising features on its center console models when demand for the combo really started to pick up steam a decade ago. Yes, very true. That is true. We're well poised to make boats that can do a lot of things. ... Go read the article if you want to, but let's go to the source. Boom, pursuitboats.com. Look at that. Look at those wings. Look at those. Nice. You know, Pursuit has nice lines. And you know, if you're a big fan of Pursuit, you stay a Pursuit fan. You know, people swear by them. And Pursuit, you get a lot for the money. Let's put it that way. You get a lot for the money. Look at that, triple 425s. Anyways, this is the 378. I wonder how much this weighs. For triple 425s, that's heavy. 18,000 pounds with 425s on the back. That's not heavy? That sounds a little heavy for that boat. I guess. Yeah, it looks like. Okay. You got all the features. Go on their site, pursuitboats.com. You can find out more info on the S378 Sport. It's the newest addition to Pursuit's popular sport family and features advanced innovations as well as quality, fishability, and versatility that you've come to expect. Okay, let's keep it going. 2 Tango. What is this about? Oftentimes the boat was completed before the. Tell me, what's this about? Turn a design to an actual boat is a team effort. Oh, this is interesting. Taking delivery of a new ride is a. Okay, this looks like a cool little read if you want to understand a design that I guess this guy turned into a boat. Next, the Greenline 48 Fly. I gotta say something about Greenline. Look, people are not giving them the attention that they deserve. They're getting the attention, but they're just not getting enough as I would want them to get. They're really, really like doing things that other boat manufacturers would not even dare to do. So I'm kind of proud of them for that. So this is an article about the Greenline 48 Fly. But let's go to their site, which is called greenlinehybrid.si. I don't know if they own .com, but go to the SI. You'll be able to go to the English version of it. So this is the 48 Fly. They have a 65, as you can see up there, and they've got a 48 coupe. But that article is specifically on this one, and why not just talk about this one? So it looks cool, it looks nice, but what about them is so special? You know, what about them is so special? It's this. They have a hybrid and an electric motor option. So with Greenline, boat building is starting a new era of responsible boating. We are shaping the future together. The Greenline Hybrid concept is a powerful answer to environmental concerns as it uses up to 4 times less fossil fuel than a planing powerboat in similar conditions. Not only does the innovation reduce fuel consumption, it also allows efficient electric propulsion using power supplied by the battery and solar power. Designed and built by leisure marine specialists and craftsmen with the latest in fusion technology using the best materials available. Greenline Yachts brings the highest possible value for our customers. And then you can keep reading. It gives you a little timeline of when they started and what they're up to now. It would be nice to see what they're doing in the future too. You guys should put that. What are you doing for 2020, 21, 22? What are your goals? I want to know. Great. Again, that's greenlinehybrid.si. Go check them out. You can find out more about it. It looks like they have a nice YouTube and Facebook and Instagram page. So that's that. The Palm Beach International Boat Show rescheduled last month and slated for May 14th to the 17th will be postponed again. Oh, I thought they were gonna say this. Oh, okay. So it's been postponed again. We'll find out when it comes back. Paycheck Protection Program poised to receive more funding. If you want to know more about that and how maybe it affects the boating industry, check that article out. NMMA announces changes, cuts amidst COVID-19 crisis. So it looks like today a letter went out to the members from the president, Frank, detailing changes and cuts they had to make because of this outbreak. So yeah, that sucks. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing you can do other than, I don't know. I think everybody's in this, in this together. So, but what can you do? Okay. The Marquis M42 boat test. Ooh, this is a article about the testing that. So let's go to the source. Greatness is a choice. Not for me. I was born great. And so are you. So this is the boat. Looks cool. Looks really futuristic. Let's look at the look. This is exactly the day boat you think it is. Built to conquer the water, designed to entertain, and clearly a natural extension of your attitude. So if you like that aggressive, dark, cool, Batman-ish kind of look, the resin-infused hull is engineered to meet your varied demands. It says your varied demands. Confident turning at speed, shallow draft for those times and areas you need it, and performance that will throw your hair back. Wow. Okay, this is the back of the boat. No outboard option. It's I wonder what they're using for power. It looks really sleek. Nice, clean, modern look. Nothing too fancy. Interesting. They got the right angle. I mean, you could see the horizon right there. It's really pretty. And those windows don't even look that big. Yet it feels and looks kind of cool. So good job. The table looks manual, like if it's adjustable, it's hard to see. Oh, is she about to jump or is she jumping? But look at the boat, like the boat's cool. Four cup holders. They know people like cup holders. Okay, There's the engine room. Nice boat, you know, like you go down, looks like plenty of space. It's like a photo shoot there. Yeah. Is it is it the clothes? What are they selling? The clothes or the boat? You know? The head looks nice. It looks roomy. The helm is cool. The helm is cool looking. I gotta give that to them. It's really nice. The cabin looks good. Kind of reminds me of a couple other boats. I like how they wrapped the window all the way back with only one little division, like a division right there. Yeah, that's nice actually. I like how they did that. Wi-Fi charging. I'm telling you, everybody needs to get that. We saw that on yesterday's video. Everybody needs this feature. No questions asked. You better start doing it for 2021. If you don't do it, shame on you. You're lagging behind. This is a must. This is a must. Everybody needs to have this. This guy invited 4 girls on his boat. I want to see the bow. Is that? It's cool. Like there's something cool about it, right? There's something cool about it. We're taking a picture of him taking a picture. So the platform goes down. That's nice. And that's it. 42 feet long, 13 beam, 23,000 pounds for a 40-ish boat. Good, yeah. It's fine. So those were twin 6.7 Cummins, 480 horsepower, inboard diesel engines. Okay, we're under 20 minutes. Yes, I wanted to be under 20 minutes. I think we're done. Let's wrap it up. We'll see what we have tomorrow. If we don't have that many articles, we'll do a reaction video. If not, we'll keep it going. Over the weekend, it looks like on weekends I'm going to be doing reaction videos because there's not many articles being pushed out. Yesterday and today there was a bunch. So that is it. If you want to see a specific reaction of a boat or you want me to go over anything specific, comment below and I will go into it. I mean, why not, right? My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it. Yes, we kept it under 20 minutes. That was great.